gynoecium. If I am talking about gynoecium, then this is your carpels, or it is also called as your pistil. Same way, if I am talking about androecium, तो वो क्या है आपका stamen. We know different parts of stamen as well as your carpel, right? So if I am talking about your carpel, it is basically having three parts, that is your stigma, style and ovary. Inside ovary there is presence of an ovule. There is presence of an ovule, right? This ovule may be unilocular. It may have two compartments, that is bilocular, trilocular and so on. Ovaries which have one chamber, which is unilocular, is simple ovary, whereas the ovaries which have many compartments, many rooms, many locules are termed as compound ovary. Okay? If I am talking about your stamen, then this stamen is having your anther and filament, and yes, there is a sterile band, and that is known as connective. उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Connective कहा जाता है. Okay. So dear students, if I am talking about principle, वही चीज लिखी है जो मैंने आपको बोली. The male reproductive parts of flower are stamen, collectively called androecium, and the female reproductive parts are carpels, or it is also termed as your pistil, and this is collectively called as your gynoecium. चलो, the individual units of stamen consist of, आपको पता है, filament, right, which supports the anther lobes. Simple as that. And if I am talking about gynoecium, तो उसका single unit क्या है? It's carpel, and that consists of stigma, style and ovary. चलो, am I clear? And many variations are found in different characteristics of both stamen and carpel. Okay? So for this practical, क्या क्या चीज हमको चाहिए? So requirement, if we are talking about, then सबसे पहले we are understanding reproductive parts of commonly available flower. तो हमको flower चाहिए. So that are your commonly available flowers: needle, your forceps, razor, brush, slide, cover slip, dissecting microscope, etc. So these are the requirements for this practical. Okay? Procedure we will discuss a bit later. Before that, we need to understand some important points regarding this reproductive structures. Let's first start with your androecium. Okay? तो चलो, इसके बारे में हमको टोटल 4 चीजें डिस्कस करनी है. If you are talking about your androecium, we are going to focus on first adhesion, your cohesion, attachment of filament to anther, and we will be discussing dehiscence pattern. ये सारी चीजें हमने रेगुलर वीडियोस में देखी है. वापस से एक बार, if you are talking about your cohesion, right, then cohesion in the we have discussed androecium. Now let us discuss your another reproductive structure, that is what I mean by gynoecium. Gynoecium is your carpel, pistil, female reproductive structure. Like we discussed of your androecium, we are going to discuss certain points under your gynoecium. Okay? So first, let's start with position of ovary, dear students. ये भी मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है, right? Depending on presence of ovary, superior, inferior or half inferior, we are having 3 types of flower. Yes or no? Yes. So that is what I have written. So first one is your epigynous flower. Chalo, if we are talking about your epigynous flower, तो what is the position of ovary in this case? आपको अच्छे से पता है, right? And this is seen in case of your mustard and China rose. Next comes your perigynous. So if we are talking about your perigynous ovary, तो यहाँ पे ovary की position क्या है? Half inferior, and it is seen in case of your apple and guava. If I am talking about hypogynous flower, तो यहाँ पे जो ovary की position है वो कैसी होगी? It will be superior, and this is seen in case of your sunflower. Okay, so these are your 3 types of flower based on position of ovary: inferior, half inferior, superior. That is your epigynous, perigynous, and hypogynous flower respectively. Next, let us discuss about cohesion. Okay, if you are talking about cohesion, तो आपको अच्छे से पता है जो carpels, जो pistils है, right? If it is more than 1, it may be free or it may be fused. अगर वो free है, तो that is called as your apocarpus, as it is seen in case of your rose. And if it is fused, then that is called as your syncarpus, as it is seen in case of your lady's finger and tomato. Okay, तो cohesion मतलब क्या? When carpel is more than 1, when the number of carpel is more than 1, if it is free तो वो apocarpus है, अगर वो fuse है तो that is your syncarpus, right? Now let us discuss about number of locule in ovary. Locule is equal to, you can say it as rooms, or you can say it as compartment which is present in the ovary, Am I clear? जैसे कि मैंने आपको आगे बोला, ovary के अंदर ovule होता है, right? And this ovary can be one chambered or it can be more than one chambered. So if I am talking about your unilocular ovary, तो it is having only one compartment. एक compartment है, मान लीजिए यहाँ पे ये ovule है, तो this is seen in case of your rose and pea. If I am talking about bilocular, तो ये ovary के अंदर 2 compartments हैं, मान लीजिए ये ovule है, ठीक है? If it is multilocular, then चलो say for example, as you can see over here, more than 1 chamber, I mean to say more than 2 chambers, right? So वो क्या हो गया? Multilocular. ये 4 है, तो this is specifically called as spectrum. एक्साइल, तो यहाँ पे जो ओवरी होती है इट इज मल्टीलोक्यूलर. एज यू कैन सी ओवरी के अंदर कंपार्टमेंट्स है, यहाँ पे यूनिलोक्यूलर है, whereas in this case is multilocular and along central axis, as you see in case of your citrus, lemon, yes or no, tomatoes, China rose, ये seeds है. seeds मतलब ovules are present along central axis. तो ये हो गया आपका एक्साइल. नेक्स्ट क्या है आपका parietal. ओके, दिस इज योर transverse section of ovary. If I am talking about your parietal, then यहाँ पे जो प्लेजेंटा है they are present at periphery. Am I clear? They are present at periphery. तो प्लाजेंटा peripheral region पे है, तो ovules are also attached to that, over that position. तो ये हो गया आपका parietal. अगेन यहाँ पे भी ओवरी यूनिलोक्यूलर होती है. इट इज यूनिलोक्यूलर. चलो नेक्स्ट क्या है आपका इज योर फ्री सेंट्रल. फॉर दिस आई एम टेकिंग लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल सेक्शन ऑफ ओवरी. दिस इज लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल सेक्शन ऑफ ओवरी. प्लाजेंटा ऐसे बीच में प्रेजेंट होता है एज अ पिलर, एज अ सेंट्रल कॉलम. ये प्लाजेंटा है एज अ सेंट्रल कॉलम टू विच your ovules are attached, right? If I am going to take transverse section for the same, तो ये बीच में क्या होगा central column and surrounding which again ovule center में ही दिखेंगे. But you can see the difference between axile and free central. यहाँ पे it is multilocular. Am I clear? Okay. And last one comes your basal. Again for this I am taking your longitudinal section. Placenta is present at the base to which single ovule is attached. ये ovule है to which single ovule is attached. Am I clear? ये longitudinal section है. If I am going to take it, if I am going to cut it transversely, तो what you going to see over here? आपको सिर्फ नजर आएगा ये ovule, ठीक है? And basal is seen in case of your sunflower as well as your marigold. Am I clear? Parietal के एग्जाम्पल में क्या लिखा है मैंने मस्टर्ड. Am I clear? So my dear students, ये क्या हो गया आपका gynoecium. हमने पढ़ा ambroecium and this we have done with your gynoecium, that is your position of ovary, cohesion, number of locule and your placentation. Okay students, let us now understand the reproductive parts of your China rose. China rose is called as your hibiscus. इसको आप shoe flower भी बोल सकते हो. Okay, तो now let us start with the portion. Can you see this structure? This structure, okay, which is coming out, this green color one, right? This structure is your apicalyx. ये क्या है dear students? This is your apicalyx. Yes, one more point. Can you see this stalk of a flower? This stalk of flower is called as your pedicel. ये pedicel है. The bulge portion को कहते हो आप thalamus. What it is said? It is said as your thalamus. Now, this portion is your apicalyx, as you can see. Right? Now this portion, उसके ऊपर जो है, can you see this? 1, 2, this is your third, right? This is your fourth and fifth. ये आपका calyx है. These are your calyx. Am I clear? And the portion which I am removing, this red color portion, this is your petals. Okay? ये corolla है. Okay? So 1, 2, this is your third, right? This is your fourth and your fifth petal. Am I clear? That is your corolla. अब ये जो चीज आपको दिखाई दी, this portion which I am taking it off, this portion is your calyx. Am I clear? चलो, तो ये है आपका calyx which I am removing. Okay? अब उसके नीचे आपको एकदम क्लियर दिखाई दिया, ये apicalyx है. Now the portion which is there in my hand is your reproductive parts. Okay, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देखो दिस पोर्शन, कैन यू सी दिस पोर्शंस, द ऊपर जो ऊपर टिप है, राइट, ऊपर जो टिप है, दैट इज योर स्टिग्मा, दैट इज योर स्टिग्मा. एम आई क्लियर? एंड okay, before that let us first understand this stamens जो आजू बाजू में, can you see this structure, this is your stamen. Let me remove it for your understanding. अगर आपको दिखाई दे तो I am keeping this in watch glass. Can you see this structure? These are your stamens. Okay, it is having filament and it is having anther. Anther क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? पोलन ग्रेन्स. एंड उसके ऊपर कुछ येलो कलर के कोट, यू कैन सी इन दिस वेरी क्लियरली. द येलो कलर कोट्स विच यू कैन सी इज योर पोलन किट. एम आई क्लियर? ओके, तो आई होप ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया. ये आपकी क्या है? एंथर्स. आई मीन टू से योर स्टेमेन. एम आई क्लियर? ओके, नाउ what I am going to do, I am removing these parts. Okay, I am removing your stamens. Stamens मैंने remove कर दिया. Now by means of a blade, I am cutting this portion. I am cutting this portion. Okay, by means of a blade. Okay, so the portion which you can see after cutting is actually your carpel. वो क्या है? That is your carpel. Just a minute. Let me remove it very nicely. Right? After removing that pink color coat, what will be visible to you? That is our carpel. Okay. So can you see this white color portion? Can you see this white color portion? Yes. So ये है आपकी carpel. Now you very well know that carpel is having 3 spare parts, right? That is your stigma, then we are having your style and we are having your ovaries. Am I clear? Okay, अब जाके ये remove हुआ finally. Okay, right. So this portion, the upper portion, this portion are your stigmas. I am removing it. And here you can see very clearly. ये जो है वो क्या है आपका? स्टिग्मा. स्टिग्मा इज रिसेप्टिव ऑर्गन. जो क्या रिसीव करता है? पोलन ग्रेन्स. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये हो गया आपका क्या? स्टिग्मा, राइट. देन दिस, ये जो आपको स्टॉक लाइक रीजन दिखाई देता है, द स्टॉक लाइक रीजन, दिस इज योर, ये क्या है? This is your filamentous structure, that is your style. Yes, and the lowermost portion, this bulged portion, as you can see, the bulged portion, as you can see, is your ovary. वो क्या है? That is your ovary. देखो ये अच्छे से रिमूव हो गया स्टाइल, राइट? तो ये स्टाइल है व्हाइट कलर वाला. एंड इनसाइड दैट, wait for a minute, inside that there will be again bulge portion at the base of carpel, at the base of your pistil. There will be presence of ovary, as you can see this structure. Can you see this structure? This structure is your ovary. Am I clear? तो ये बेस पे ओवरी, फिर ये स्टॉक लाइक रीजन स्टाइल, एंड उसके ऊपर मैंने क्या दिखाया आपको? ये क्या है? स्टिग्मा है. एम आई क्लियर? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज योर रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर. आपको अच्छे से पता है. इफ यू विल ओपन अप दिस ओवरी, ओवरी के अंदर क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? ओव्यूल्स आर प्रेजेंट. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, if I am talking about your ovary, then ovary in case of your China rose is superior. Okay, तो ये जो फ्लावर है वो कैसा फ्लावर होता है? एपीगाइनस फ्लावर. द फ्लावर इज एपीगाइनस वन. ओके, ओवरी के अंदर जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, ये ओवरी है. ओवरी के अंदर होता है क्या? कंपार्टमेंट्स, रूम्स, एंड जिसको कहा जाता है लोक्यूल. सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर चाइना रोज, देन इसकी जो ओवरी है इट इज मल्टी चेम्बर्ड इन द सेंस मल्टी locular. It is having more than one compartment and each of this compartment will have your ovules. Am I clear? And dear students, if we are talking about presentation, तो यहाँ पे arrangement होती है exile. Okay, so in this case there is exile presentation in the sense what? Your ovules are present along central axis and जैसे मैंने बोला exile में मैंने आपको क्या पढ़ाया था? It is multi-chambered, multi-locular and the position of ovule is central, so it's your exile presentation. ठीक है? Dear students, this structure will be clear if you will see under dissecting microscope. ठीक है, ये dissecting microscope है, यहाँ पे ये lens है. This is the lens, you have to fit it like this. ठीक है, and if we are going to take transverse section of ovary, right, we are going to observe it under like this. You are going to observe it under like this. Am I clear? So it will be clearly visible to you people. So this is your experiment, your reproductive parts of flower, that is your China rose.